Good afternoon. Here with me is Frank Sia, our candidate for Seasons MVP. How are you today?
Feeling good, feeling good.
Today I have two questions for you. What's your expectation from the game, this finals, red against white?
Expectation, just like any other game, matindi to dikitan kasi especially finals to. So lahat nag-prepare, alam ko. Lahat gutom sa championship.
Okay, last question. Since you're the running MVP for this seasons, what's your expectations for this game? Running MVP, you're against Jonathan Amputan. So what can you say?
Si Joe, of course, running yan, scorer kasi si Joe. So ina-expect ko kay Joe, lalabas yung mga pull-up niyan, lalabas yung mga perimeter shots. So need lang i-defend, tapos just like any other games na nilalaro namin, more on defense kami. Offense, it will come kung sa scoring, makaka-score. Pero most importantly, yung defense namin nila.
Okay, so thank you. Here with me again is Frank Sia. God bless you and good luck.
Thank you.